In this video, we're given the area of a circle, can we find the radius of a circle? So find the radius of a circle that has an area of 12 centimeters squared. So we know the area is 12 centimeters squared. So using A is equal to pi r squared. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So the area is going to be 12. So 12 is going to be equal to pi r squared. So again, what we've got to do is try and make r the subject. So the first thing would be to divide both sides through by pi. So dividing both sides through by pi, we're going to get r squared is going to be 12 over pi. And now obviously we want r as a subject, so the opposite of squaring is to take the square root of both sides. So taking the square root of 12 over pi, we just write square root of 12 over pi is equal to r. Make sure we're using fractions. And so using the fraction button on the calculator, we enter square root fraction button, 12 over pi, and that will give us the answer straight away as 1.9544. To three significant figures, that 4 has no effect on the 5, so we're going to get that r is equal to 1.95 centimeters to 3 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to find the radius of a circle given its area. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.